In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Jotform. We're going to walk through how to open your appointment request form in Jotform, navigate to the sharing options, open the link settings, and set the form to private so only approved people can access it. This is a great way to protect sensitive information and ensure that only intended responders can submit entries. Start by opening your form in the Jotform form builder. If you have multiple forms, make sure you've selected the appointment request form you want to secure. When the editor loads, you'll see the familiar workspace where you design questions and fields. Take a moment to confirm you're in the right place, since the change you're about to make applies to this specific form. Next, move to the Publish area. You'll find the Publish option at the top of the builder alongside other main tabs. The Build tab is for editing your questions, while Publish is dedicated to how your form is shared and who can reach it. Switching to Publish brings up your direct form link and options for distributing or embedding your form. On the Publish page, locate the form link and click Settings. This is the small gear icon or link settings control next to the shareable URL. Opening this panel doesn't change your form content. It only manages access permissions tied to the link. Think of it as the control center for who can view and submit the form once they have the URL. In the link settings, choose Private Form. This setting restricts access, so your form is no longer open to the public. With Private selected, people will be prompted to log into Jotform and will need permission to open and submit the form. This is ideal when you're handling appointments, internal requests, or any situation where responses should come only from trusted users. Be aware that switching from public to private takes effect immediately. Anyone with the old link who isn't authorized will now see a sign-in or request access prompt instead of the form. That's all you need to do. Open the form, go to Publish, click Settings, and set it to Private Form. The change saves right away, and you can confirm it by checking that the permission label shows as private next to your link. If your needs change later, you can return to the same settings and adjust the permission back to public or another available option. This keeps your sharing flexible while maintaining control. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you confidently manage access to your Jotform appointment request form.